Your board exams are coming closer and everybody must be aspiring to get good marks. But some of you may be under tension. So, to release your tension, WJT has come up with an innovative tool, AMFM, a move towards full marks. And maths is the subject where you can get full marks. But what to do and how to do in these remaining days? So, in these last few days, we need to work smartly. And here is a roadmap for your smart study to get the great success. Let's start with algebra. Our pattern will be reading the theory and then solving the problems. On every Monday, read theory of chapter 1, say in 5 minutes, and solve these problems in approximately 90 minutes. Here, approximately because some of you may take more or less time. On the same day, we will start chapter 4. So, read the theory of chapter 4, say in 10 minutes and solve the given problems in around 30 minutes. You know, chapter 2, quadratic equation is bit lengthy. We will divide it into 2 parts. So, on next day, read the theory of chapter 2, say in 15 minutes and solve these problems in around 1 hour 30 minutes. On the next day, revise the theory again in 15 minutes and solve remaining problems in 2 hours. So here we have completed 3 chapters. So on next day, read theory of chapter 3 in 15 minutes and solve these problems in around 2 hours 15 minutes. On the next day, Friday, we will finish 2 chapters, that is stats 1 and stats 2. So read the theory of chapter 5 in 10 minutes and solve these problems in around 1 hour. Now take a break. Keep your graph papers, compass box, pencil and scale ready and start solving these sums and finish it in around 1 hour. So all the chapters are over now and we will solve HOTS on Saturday. So first Saturday we will solve these sums in 2 hours 30 minutes. On the next Saturday we will solve these sums again in same time, and third Saturday again it will take 2 hours 30 minutes to finish all the HOTS. Now Sunday is kept for revising. So read the theory of all algebra chapters in 45 minutes and after that go through algebra papers solved by you, that is unit test papers, semester papers and prelim papers, and find out your mistakes and make it sure that you will not repeat the same mistakes in your board exams, and that will take around 45 minutes. So now algebra is over. Students, here is the study plan for day before your board exams. Start your studies at 7 and read theory of chapter 1 from 7 to 7:15 and solve the sums given here from 7:15 to 8:15. After a break of 15 minutes, start reading theory of chapter 2 from 8:30 to 9 and solve the sums mentioned here from 9 to 11. Again take a break of 15 minutes and start reading theory of chapter 4 from 11:15 to 11:30 and solve the sums mentioned here from 11:30 to 12:30. Students, here we have completed 3 chapters before your lunch. So take a break of 1 hour and start reading theory of chapter 3 from 1:30 to 1:45 and solve the sums mentioned here from 1:45 to 3:30. Again take a break of 15 minutes and start reading theory of chapter 5 from 3:45 to 4 and solve the sums given here from 4 to 5:15. Now only one chapter is remaining. So take a break of 15 minutes and start reading theory of chapter 6 from 5:30 to 5:45 and solve the sums given here from 5:45 to 6:45. So now all the chapters are over. So take a break, enjoy some music and go through solved examples from your textbooks. The examples which are solved in your textbook from 7:45 to 9:15. So here your algebra portion is over. Now D-Day, that is your exam day. So there are few points to remember while writing the paper. First, in arithmetic progression, value of D can be negative also. So be careful while writing it. Now remember students, every quadratic equation has 2 roots. You know, may or may not be equal. And also while finding the factors of quadratic equation, take care of signs because signs are very important. Now, while drawing the graph, please do not forget to write x-axis, y-axis, showing the arrows, scale in right top corner and also sign of right angle at the origin. And remember students, 1 is not a prime number. Remember, 1 is not a prime number. Now, at least का मतलब minimum, that is कम से कम. At the most means maximum, that is ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. And the last point, students, do not forget to write random experiment in your probability sums, probability problems. Students, I am sure with all the tips mentioned here and AMFM tool, you will score excellent marks. All the best.